We've just acquired this lovely looking, it's the Toyota GT86. It's in superb condition, full Toyota service history, and a lovely added bit of body styling by Maxton Design, as you can see all round the car. Wheels are in superb condition. It's got the side skirts, the rear splitters, rear diffuser, twin exhaust at the back. It's a very quick car. Lovely sport seats with red pipe stitching. It's only done low mileage. It's cruise control, like I say. Oh, heated seats, full Toyota dealer service history. At DJH, we offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.